the bankers, the regulators, and the academicians and other stakeholders who are a part of the growth process in a state. By growth process, I mean the economic growth as well as growth in the social sectors. All of them should come together under one roof and deliberate on various issues. Normally, what happens is we don't see all of us coming under one roof and discussing the various issues. Mostly, bankers have their own discussion forums or fora. Government agencies are discussing it on various forums, but we felt that everybody should come together and give their views and perspectives so that something concrete will emerge which will help the policy makers to formulate the right kind of policies, because we know that Odisha is a state which is full of potential for economic growth and prosperity, because everybody knows, I mean, this is a moot question or the eternal questions of why Odisha is poor in spite of having the richness in the mineral resources, other resources, having a long coastline, and so much of nature's bounty has been given to Odisha, but why Odisha is poor? So the basic idea is to bring all of them in a forum where these things could be discussed, so that something concrete would emerge. Apart from that, as you know, that Odisha has got great potential in the tourism sector, in the MSME sector, and these sectors should be highlighted by bringing in different stakeholders to talk about various issues affecting these sectors, so that these specific sectors could be developed and the ideas could emerge as to how to develop it. And there have been brainstorming sessions, and at the end of it, we've already seen the results that there have been some very concrete issues which have come forward. I think those will be flagged. I think our DG has flagged off a lot of issues, and other government machinery, bankers, they have also highlighted certain issues which will be taken forward, and I'm sure being from the RBI, I think this will be taken forward and a concrete picture will emerge as to how it will help the policymakers in formulating the right kind of policies in future. And the plenary session tells it all, that how it will be a catalyst for the growth of Odisha, and all the top regulators and bankers were here, the top government functionaries were here, and the basic takeaway was the ideas which will be germinating from these sessions, and then it will be transforming into policy formulation, as I said, and of course help the government machineries and other functionaries, top functionaries, to, as I said, to frame the right policies for the future. Media plays a very important role in disseminating information these days, and it's not possible to bring everybody here and give them the advantage of listening to the fantastic deliberations that are going on, because the capacity of the auditorium everywhere is of course limited. So if it goes to public domain and they are able to access it whenever they want to, then it will be a great achievement for the organizers, because we want everybody should be seized of these issues so they can also contribute their ideas and perceptions. And as media partners, I think you people will be able to help us in that regard, and that is the biggest advantage we'll get out of it.